guys, this is Let Us Cook, and today we cook Spanish Paella.
Today I'm not able to speak, Wes cannot hear and Coco cannot see anything.
Let us cook and vamos. Don't worry, no, don't worry, Pedro.
I can't do anything, bro. This is dangerous.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Start. 3, 2, 1.
It's impossible because Pedro he cannot speak and me I cannot see. And this guy is listening Central C or something.
Concentrate, concentrate. Give to Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Yeah. What I need
Remove,
to do?
remove. Remove everything, Cuckoo.
Remove the what? The prawns. Hey, I'm alone or what?
Cuckoo.
Yeah. What I need to do with this? Oh, I hate doing this, I tell you.
What is the chicken?
Chicken teriyaki.
Give me the chicken. I show you my skill.
Pedro, give me another one, bro. How many more?
No? Huh? No. Bro, no. You know what this is? Okay.
Hey, my panas, another one.
Oh. Pa. See.
Last one, Pedro.
Cuckoo.
Hey.
Move a little bit in your left. Yeah. It's better for you, my friend. Bro, just put everything.
Hey, Pedro, help me, bro. I want to clean my hands. We finish? Oof. Thank you, Pana. Top. Wait. Okay. Good tempo or more fast, more slow?
Wait, Cuckoo, wait.
Again? Yeah, teach me.
Cuckoo. Bro, it's sun.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait.
Oh. No. No, it's perfect. But we need a cover. Cuckoo,
yeah.
you can find me something for cover, please? Good luck. Come. You take this and you put inside. And
Now?
the movement is like this. Bang, bang.
This tempo.
Now, allez, alors.
Okay. Good.
One more.
I need to find the tempo. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. Hey. This is not good, no? Finish?
Yeah, finish.
Okay.
Good.
Hey, I do a good job here with the prawns. I cannot say it's paella, but it looks something similar paella. But we put our love and
Yeah.
our energy on
It's
it.
the most important.
May I try just for the team? Just for the team. Look this prawn.
Tell me.
Look this prawn.
The prawn is okay.
Tell me. The prawn is okay. Only the prawn.
After this you go to the dentist.
Disgusting.
For me it's 5.
For me it's a 4.
5, because we put love, bro. So it's a
The prawn, for the prawn, free.
Prawn
problem
free.
is not bad.
Yeah.
Prawn is the best.
Everything is wrong, I swear.
But
Yeah,
bro,
the
for the
direction
next time
there.
a
I
little
forgot
bit.
that.
Bro, you need to
Yeah.
eat more small.
More small? Alright.
Yeah, look at this. They look like rocks, this one.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I'm happy with the team.
Next time.
I'm
I'm
happy
happy.
with the team as well.
Next time we come back.
Too easy paella, then it's one more difficult. Sunday roughs, no?
Who would you like to see on this next?
I want to.
Moi.
Moi?
Yeah, Moi, Nico,
Moi,
and
Nico.
another one. This one is good one.
Nico and Tos.
Okay,
Okay.
Moi,
Nico?
Nico,
And
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 Tos.
Tos.
Thank you for watching, guys, on Let Us Cook.
Hopefully you enjoy the paella.
Subscribe now and see you soon.